Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's adventure, I am taking you to Boston. We are going to see the Red Sox play at Fenway Park, and we are staying at the gorgeous Hotel Commonwealth. Let's do it. So, I have never been to a Red Sox game at Fenway. I have never really spent a lot of time in Boston, so I don't know Boston very well, but I am here in Kenmore Square, and I am staying at the absolutely gorgeous Hotel Commonwealth. So the Hotel Commonwealth is right in the heart of Boston. It's in Kenmore Square, and it is literally steps away from Fenway Park. So if you're coming to Fenway, you're coming to see a Red Sox game, can't think of a more epic, awesome place or closer place to stay. So let's check it out. Blue Ribbon Sushi. This is actually located within the Hotel Commonwealth, which is so lovely. It's a very high-end sushi restaurant. Absolutely beautiful, and can't wait to try it.
In the nostrils.
It kind of spicy edamame, some mache yellowtail, yummy. Spicy tuna on crispy rice. Is celebrating her. She's been on YouTube for, I think she said 8 years.
Wow.
Yeah, and so beautiful. That sushi was amazing. I'm having a little freshwater eel, unagi. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, obviously the location of this hotel couldn't be better in every way if you're going to see a game at Fenway, but it is so elegant. It is so classic and old school and been around for a long time, and I'm very impressed so far. So excited for the game. Bleacher Bar. Let's go in and check it out. Oh my gosh. So this is Lansdowne Street. This is obviously the road, the iconic road that's right up against Fenway. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. It smells like sausage heaven here. So this is the Bleacher Bar. But what's so cool is there's seats overlooking the outfield of Fenway, which is so cool. Obviously a very popular place to come and have drinks before the game. Right here at Bleacher Bar. So if you can get it, this is the seat of all seats. Look at these seats. It's just the coolest thing. Watching them practice. Where's that? We're going in. I'm so excited. This is so cool.
boy.
Where's his girlfriend? There's his girlfriend.
I don't know.
Oh, she's cute. I like her nicer.
Wait, what's her name?
I have no idea.
No.
This is Wally?
Wally, yeah, I knew Wally.
Wallette?
Wallette? Wallette.
Delivering the service for the first station decision is immediately Vice President and Vice President.
No lights, guys.
2018.
No lights.
And we had
They're losing. It's not good. They're losing by like a lot. But it's still so fun.
Waiting for a miracle. Never know. Unless you're down 7-1.
It's 7-1. It's 7-1. The most exciting thing that's happened is the dance off that happened earlier. That's about it. Good seats though. The beer's cold and the peanuts are good.
Great seats. I feel like I was the only one that got out there.
I appreciate it.
You can't win them all, I guess. The game was still so fun. I mean, this is the most fun place to see a baseball game. But you can't win them all. It's like 8-1. It's the bottom of the 8. Unless there's a miracle, I don't think so. But this was so much fun. Had the best time. Love it. Love Fenway. I'll definitely be back. Good morning from pretty much Fenway Park. Look at this view. I mean, this is the coolest thing. So as you can see, this is 95, I believe. This is the freeway. that literally runs right next to Fenway Park. So, like I showed, it has a very simple walk, literally 2 to 3 minute walk to Fenway Park. That was so much fun. Maybe not so fun for the Red Sox, but they tried. Did they? Yeah, that last score, that was it was 8-1, not the Red Sox. Oh my gosh, what a fun thing. What a super fun experience. Looks like there's a lady behind me. And I love this hotel. I would 100% do this again. I'll call the Red Sox before I come back next time because I actually need them to win next time, just because I think it would be more fun. But it was really fun. The Bleacher Bar was amazing. And I'll tell you what, that Blue Ribbon Sushi was fantastic. So this is a perfect stop. If this is where you're coming to the game, you're coming for one night. I mean, it was so nice too to be able to leave the stadium anytime and not have that mad rush of people. So yeah, that was super fun. I would definitely recommend it. Love the Hotel Commonwealth, and I loved Fenway Park. So I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you soon.